Hello, I'm Brandon Shibley, and you're at the Edge Impulse booth here at the Embedded World North America. I'm showing you a demo here today. It's a manufacturing line use case where we're showing defect detection with computer vision. It's using our YOLO-Pro model trained in Edge Impulse. And what you'll see is here on the manufacturing line.
Describe a little bit what Edge Impulse does?
Yeah, Edge Impulse is an Edge AI platform. So we're tooling used for collecting data, training machine learning models, and ultimately optimizing and deploying them to edge hardware. So here we have a IQ9, Qualcomm IQ9. It has 100 TOPS of compute with the 2 NPUs that it has. So we're running all our machine learning models right on device there. And we have this demo, this very nice user interface developed by the Qt company. And so here we'll see our defect detection, which we have running here. We'll have examples of defects, and as they go through here, we're going to detect them up on the display. I'll do another one there so you capture it. We're detecting that as defective, and over here we also see that it's lighting up on our user interface. Now, in addition to that, we have generative large language model here. And so what you can also do are ask prompts about how the manufacturing line is performing. You can ask things like, how many defects have there been on line 1? And it will generate responses for you based on this data that's available. Yeah, and so the large language model and the YOLO-Pro object detection model all running on the IQ9. And this is Edge Impulse. So you're asking, what is Edge Impulse? This is the platform. This is our studio. It's one part of the Edge Impulse platform where you can interact with and work with the platform. It has data such as this, which you can upload directly or ingest directly off of devices.
So you're training the model?
Exactly. So ingest the data, label the data, and then you can train the model. And within Edge Impulse, there's you can experiment with different model architectures, different kinds of feature extraction, and you're also able to try different hyperparameters and ultimately experiment to find out what combination or design of model is going to work best with your data and the constraints of your hardware. So you can compare things like accuracy, latency, memory utilization, and so on.
How can you compare? Can you automate the comparison also?
Yeah, we do have a tool for that as well. It's called EON Tuner. It's an AutoML tool. And so you define a range of different parameters that you want to explore, like different model architectures, different hyperparameters. It's going to automate, develop, building and testing different combinations of those things, and then ultimately rank the results based on the objectives you have, whether that be to maximize accuracy or minimize latency. And it uses Bayesian search, so it'll ultimately hone in on what is the best performing design.
Can you talk a little bit about the challenges and what's interesting with the Edge Impulse, the latest developments that you're doing, and now being part of the Qualcomm? What does it bring?
Yeah, well, Qualcomm, you can see some of the brands in Qualcomm that we're now working with, and it means that there's a lot that is in that portfolio that we're building out integrations with Arduino and with foundries, providing more of a complete stack to build on. So whether you're prototyping or exploring use cases, or whether you're going to production and need something that's production grade, highly secure OTA, for example, with foundries. And Edge Impulse, of course, making it easy to develop machine learning models and ultimately get them into production. So there's a lot of capability there that comes under the Qualcomm umbrella. And we're also expanding into more devices, more acceleration capabilities.
Yeah. Could you talk a little bit about your role and what makes you excited with the developments that you're doing, the latest things that you're doing?
Yeah, so my role at Edge Impulse, I lead our pre-sales solutions engineering team. So we work with commercial companies building real products and embedding machine learning into those products. So we're dealing with everything from computer vision to time series models or even audio and voice data. And what we're seeing is incredibly new products leveraging AI.
Is it exciting to work on like groundbreaking edge AI implementations?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, products are just getting smarter as they have more data and also more insights that they can get off from data. So whether that be wearable devices, for example, if you've used in Aura or Ultra-Human Ring, we're embedding AI into tiny devices like that, very low power devices, all the way up to very large, powerful edge systems doing a lot of complex computer vision or even using these large generative models at the edge. Unlocks huge amounts of really interesting capabilities and opportunities. So that's been very exciting as well.
And in the embedded world, edge AI is kind of like the big buzzword, right? Is Edge Impulse the best implementation of Edge AI?
Yeah, certainly the largest, most used Edge AI platform. And of course we have incredible capabilities with Qualcomm, but we also have a lot of other silicon partners we work with as well. So we maintain this broad ecosystem of support. And again, everything from tiny little microcontrollers up to the more powerful edge processors. So it's just a enormous number of use cases and applications that we work in.
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptops to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats.
HDMI technology drives innovation across industries, including digital signage, medical imaging,
education, and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.